So this is what we're doing today. Now, what I did for mine is for the months, I just added some little bit of Velcro at the top up there. And then you can redo your months. And then the same thing with your numbers. So you can move them around as the months change. I'm using the AdTech tape runner. I gotta say, I love this stuff. Love it, love it, love it. I like to use the tape runner so I make sure that I get my stuff straight. As I'm just gonna take it here and I'm gonna run it down the side there. And I'm only gonna do one little piece at a time. Then what I did was then I just flipped this around like this, take my tape runner, run it down, lay it, and there we go. Okay, next we're going to add the pattern papers. So there we go. Now we're going to do the same thing with the second piece. We're just going to add it down at the bottom here. So we've got this. Okay, so you just want to line these up. There we go. Okay, and then just lay it down. Okay, so now you've got your base down. So now what you're ready to do is you're just ready to kind of put it, put everything all together. I put some Velcro dots on my months, and then you can pull it on and off. Okay? All right. So next, we're going to add our calendar. Now this we're going to just tape down. Just going to adhere the whole thing down because we don't need it to, to change out. So now I'm going to take this piece and line it up there and then press that down just like that. There we go. Okay. So now you've got your basic stuff down. The rest of it is just all about decorating it. Okay. So as I said, you're going to take the numbers that are going to take 2 different size circle dies, but you can just cut them out that way. And then once you have your numbers cut out, then you're going to cut out a larger circle. Okay, so you're going to have the 2 different circles. And then once you do that, then you're going to adhere them all. You're going to adhere them all together like this one. And then you'll put the Velcro on the back, and then there you go. Now, this is what I have been dying to show you guys. I love this glue gun. This is AdTech's, obviously. This is their Synergy Freedom. It is cordless. It's heavy duty. But what I really love about it is that it has a light. Oh, this is game changing, guys. I'm telling you. So when you squeeze it, and I hope you guys can see. There we go. See? So when you squeeze it, it lights up whatever you're gluing down. I mean, how cool is that? I'm just going to take our glue gun here, and I'm just going to run it all the way, both sides, just to get that pin down. And then finish it off at the end here. And then last, we're going to put this little strip here, and I just taped it down. So we're going to take that and tape that down. Love it. Okay. And then to finish it off, I added these wet flowers with some leaves down here. And then to finish it off, I added this burlap flower, and I thought it was just so cool. And then added the doily around it to kind of cover up that stem. And then again, put a notepad. And like I said, it's quick, it's easy, and it's a lot of fun. So I really hope you guys give it a try. And definitely this glue gun, this is amazing.